Hello friends, today we are going to see basics of differential relay. So what is differential relay? How it works under fault condition? Let us see that. So a differential relay is defined as the relay that operates when the phasor difference of two or more similar electrical quantities exceeds a predetermined value. Now let us observe this figure A. Here X is the winding of the machine which we will going to protect under fault condition. So let us see how two CTs, let us consider it as C1 and C2, connected to this protected winding as well as this relay coil. Okay, so figure shows an arrangement of overcurrent relay connected to operate as a differential relay. A pair of identical current transformers are fitted on either end of the winding to be protected. The secondaries of CTs are connected in series in such a way that they carry the induced currents in the same direction. The operating coil of the overcurrent relay connected across the CT secondary circuits. The relay compares currents at two ends of protected winding. Now, this figure shows the principle of differential protection of generator and transformer. X is the winding of the protected machine. When there is no internal fault, the current entering in X is equal in phase and magnitude to current leaving X. The CTs are of such a ratio that during the normal conditions or for external faults, we call that external fault as through faults. So for external faults or for normal conditions, the secondary currents of CTs are equal. Let one current be I1 and second current be I2. So vector difference between these two currents flowing through relay coil. Now currents I1, I2 circulate in pilot wires are such that they are in same direction during normal condition or during through faults. The relay operating coil is connected at middle of pilot wire. The relay unit is of overcurrent type. Now during normal condition and under through fault, the protection system is balanced and CT's ratio are such that the secondary currents are equal. So I1 equal to I2. These currents circulate in pilot wires. Okay. The vector difference of I1 and I2 flowing through relay coil. Okay. But as I1 equal to I2, difference equal to 0. This is balanced condition. Okay. So relay is in inoperative mode or it remains as it is under normal condition or under through faults. Now let us observe this diagram. Here internal fault occurs on this winding X. Okay. Now due to this fault, the balance is disturbed. So when fault occurs in protected zone, the currents entering in the protected winding is no more equal to current leaving the winding, because some current flows through the fault. Okay, so now I1 is not equal to I2, and therefore there is some difference, and now that difference flowing through this relay coil, and so relay will going to operate. So from this we can say that under external fault condition or under normal condition, okay, differential relay does not operate, but under internal fault condition there is unbalance. So there is definite difference between the currents, and so that vector difference flowing through relay coil, and relay will going to operate.